So we're going to have a little bit of fun today. I'm going to show you an old school technique we used to do in the kitchen with fruits and vegetables and a few other things as well. This is called compressions. Now what we do, you need a vacuum chamber sealer. You get your fruits and veg, you put it in, you can marinate them, and you compress it with all that lovely pressure that you get in that chamber sealer. And what does that do? Collapse all those cell walls and really concentrate the flavor of whatever you are putting in those bags. So a bit of fun today. I'm going to show you some cool stuff. Right. This is my compressions. Let's get into it.
There's no real recipe when it comes to compressions, but there are a few little guidelines and techniques. More on that later. Certain vegetables and fruits work really well. Cucumber is one of those veg that works really well. Peel it, cut it in half and de-seed it. And the whole point of this is to infuse flavor. So we're going to make a marinade for this. Start with some lime zest, a few strips. We're going to cut this in half and we're going to squeeze out that lime juice into a bowl. And then we're going to add a lovely glug of Bombay Sapphire or gin of your choice. And then we're going to sweeten it up and then we're going to add a little bit of maple syrup. Give that a little mix. Have a little taste, of course. It's nice. And then that is your basic marinade. So you can do whatever you want, but this is a good little start. Get your cucumber in a sealer bag. Gonna put in a few little strips of that lime zest and pour in all that liquor. Set that aside and I'm going to show you how we're going to seal this in a minute. We'll jump onto a couple of other things that work really well. You can use all kinds of citrus. I've got blood orange here. Same principle, just cut it, put it in a bag. You can add a liquor or not to marinate it. You can even add some spices at this point if you want. We're going to set that aside, and then the best, in my opinion, is the watermelon. This particular fruit works wonders when you compress it. Now you're just going to cut off a nice little slice, put it into a chamber sealer bag, and that's pretty much it. You can add any aromats you want. Now it's very important you've got a sous vide chamber sealer for this technique to work. What it does, it creates a vacuum within a sealed chamber, effectively removing all the air from around the food inside a pouch, and then it seals the pouch shut with a heated sealing bar, and you get an airtight seal just like that, even when you got liquids in the bag. So you can see the watermelon is almost translucent. That's what this technique does. Now when we do the cucumber, you can see it creates a vacuum by lowering the pressure inside, pulling air out of the pouch placed within it. Always love looking at that every time the chamber sealer works. And there you have it. You've got them all compressed. Now you can leave these up overnight, a few hours, whatever you want really. Depends how much you want to concentrate the flavor and what kind of finish you're going for. I'm going to cut one of these open. I left this for about an hour or so just to show you. Look at what it's done to this cucumber. It has completely changed it. It is compressed, compact, translucent, and full of flavor. Now you can cut that in half and I'll just show you again that the difference that makes. Stick that in a G&T or in any dish and you will have a lot of fun. And the same with the watermelon. It literally looks like tuna. Cut that up. Look at the texture of the watermelon. It is compressed and it is super juicy and compact. Cut it up, put it in a salad, and there you go, my friends. You have...
This is my compressions.
Mix up the flavors, try different fruit and veg, and have a little fun. Enjoy. I'll see you on the next one.